Let's make an old-fashioned peach cobbler with a biscuit crust. Now this peach cobbler has a lot of crust, lots of warm spices. It's simply delicious. So for all you crust lovers out there, this one's for you. So let's start off with some butter. I'm using some prepped brown butter, and we're just going to melt that a bit and then add our peaches. These are frozen homegrown peaches. Fresh would be absolutely delicious as well. Add in some granulated sugar and brown sugar. So we're just going to mix and melt those sugars down nicely and cook for about 2 minutes. Add in some vanilla extract, freshly grated nutmeg, sprinkle in some cinnamon. Mix, and we're going to bring this mixture up to a boil. Onto the cornstarch slurry. We have fresh lemon juice. We're adding in our cornstarch and a little bit of water. Pour in the cornstarch slurry, which really helps to thicken up this peach mixture. Place your peaches into a 9x13 baking dish. Onto that delicious biscuit topping, we're going to grate some cold butter. In a mixing bowl, add in all-purpose flour and baking powder. Pour in granulated sugar and also brown sugar. Add in the cold grated butter and mix. Pour in hot water and mix until you have like a drop biscuit texture. Scoop the biscuit dough onto those peaches. Smooth out that buttery biscuit dough onto those peaches as evenly as possible in one nice layer. Now we're going to add just a touch of crunch with some sugar, and we're also going to put just a little bit of cinnamon. Now we're all done, so now it's just time for baking. Place in the oven at 350 degrees and bake for about 30 minutes. I like to broil the top a little bit just for that nice crunchy texture. We're going to be serving this nice and warm, and look at those juicy, juicy peaches. You'll definitely want to top this with some vanilla ice cream and drizzle with a touch of caramel sauce. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.